Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will answer to the question if Samsung Galaxy A05 and A05s supports fast charging. So here is my A05s, and also here I have a 20 watts power adapter original from Samsung. Also the charging cable, of course it's original from A05, and here I have a little tool, and with this one I will measure the real power of this charging. So first I will connect the cable to the charger, and let's plug in. And now I will connect this cable to the tool, and I will connect it now to my phone. Okay, and now let's see the real power. And I hope you see it now. We have 8.7, 8.6 watts. Okay, so this is the real power now. And I will disconnect the charger, and let's go to my phone to settings, and here go down, and we have battery and device care. Tap to go inside. Now tap here on the first feature, battery. Go down, and we have here more battery settings. Tap to go inside, and here we have fast charging. Okay, now just tap here to enable. As you can see now it's activated. I will exit, and now I will connect again this tool with the charger to see the real power. And now it's charging, and let's see now the real power. And as you can see now we have 22.4, 22.5.8 watts. So yes, Samsung Galaxy A05 and A05s supports fast charging, and it's working. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.